What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and we are back now. It's almost springtime, so March 20th is almost here, but that doesn't mean that the weather for spring is going to be here, but it's almost springtime, and now we have our fountains back in. Companies are reaching out. So this company called well, I'm just going to go ahead and post the company right there so I don't butcher their name, but their name is Yzert, okay? And I will have the link in the description for this fountain right here. Now, if you want this solar fountain, it is $15. All right, as usual with the fountains, you get the knobs. Well, I call them knobs, but they're rods, okay? You get the rods. You get 8 nozzles. It should be 8 nozzles, so we're going to go over all of that. Here you have the filter blocks right here. So if your filter ever gets clogged up, or if you see that your solar pump don't work properly, it's probably because the algae back up in dirt is covering your breathing for your filter. So all filters need to be changed, especially if you have ponds, fish tanks, and all of that. So that's what these are, filters. All right, we have 2 bullet nozzles right here. Then we have some more nozzles. All right, and we are going to go over every nozzle. The design is pretty cool. It has a flower on it. This is glass plated panel, so it should last longer. I have the other glass plated panel, and it still works very well. Let me put that down so we're not killing the battery. All right, and then you have your to-dos, and then, well, not to-dos, but it'll let you know how it works. All right, so it says basically in the shadow, it don't work. So this is not a sun and shade type of deal right here. It works its best when it's sunny. That's why I want to wait until tomorrow. Lately we've been having cloudy days. That's why I don't want to really do it on a cloudy day. We had cloudy days for the past couple of weeks. This pump is not submergible, okay? And then water inlet blocked. So that's what we talked about, with the algae is going into your filter blocks right here. I'm gonna post it right here so y'all can see it, pause it, go over it. All right, now this is a 3.5 watt, and I believe this is a 6-inch panel right here. You can already hear it go off. Now, I know a lot of people had trouble trying to put these rods on, so I'm gonna show you real quick before we take it out to the bird bath. All right, so to put the rods on, you will need to stick this part into there like that. All right, like so. And then on the back of this one, you see this little slot right there? You have a slot right there. You want to put it right into there, just like that, okay? You don't want to put it like it won't fit in right there. You have to put it right into the slot, just like that. All right, so this is not a light up fountain, but it's pretty cool as far as the color goes. If you like the color, then you will like this fountain. All right, now we got all 4. Now I think the color look pretty cool. You know, you got blue and green, kind of matches because, you know, blue and yellow makes green. So you have the flat heads. Usually with this, like I said, it's hard to get off and on, but this looks like they made it easier now. Let's see. Is it regular twist and turn? Yep. All right, you guys, so these are regular twist on, so this is better. All right, so you see there's a lip right there, you see there's a gap right there, so you put it on, and twist. Yes, I love this model. You guys, this is the model to get right here. It's better than you doing what I was doing last year. I think I was even using the can opener to try to get the daggone cap off. All right, so you have all your instructions right here. All your to-dos, not to-dos, and all that. All right, if you want to see the specifications, you can pause it if you need to. And that's about it. I don't think I have to go over everything with y'all because I think I did it already. Okay, everyone, so we about to test the fountain out. Once you first put it in, you will see all the air bubbles come out. In order to test the flats out, you do need to hook it up with your connector right here and put the flat on top. So we are going to start with this flat right here, and you hear screaming. Still got some air in the system. See what happens. Come on. Here we go. All right, it's kicking in. Just gotta let it do its work. All right, you guys. So we got the first bullet on. Nice and simple. Well, not bullet. We got the first flat on. Nice and simple. This one is spitting about, I'll say about like 10 inches. Once again, I said this in my other reviews, but if you're using this in your bird bath, make sure you get like a 20-inch bird bath, unless you want to keep coming out here filling it up with water every couple of hours, because I have a 17.5-inch, and I say in a couple of hours all the water will be out of here just because of the water loss from the splash. One more bullet here. Some sprays spray out more water than other sprays. As you know, there's different nozzles on each one. All right, now we're going to get into the bullets. Now, as you know, the bullets has their own input, so you don't need the extra connector, this extra piece right here. You just put the bullet on. This is a single bullet right here, a single shot. All right, and then we have this bullet right here, and it's easy to get on and off. It's not hard. Older models, I can admit, used to be harder than that. If you want to know, this one looks close to 20 inches. Yeah, about 20 inches is spraying up. I'm in the way. It's going up and down because some of the shade is covering it. 2 more to go, and then we're done. Now we got another 6 sprayer right here, and you're definitely going to get wet like crazy. We love it. All right, this one is definitely 20 inches. Once again, if I leave this out like this, it will definitely lose water. All right. And we are going to go with the... All right, now we're going to go with the final bullet, which is the spray out, the one that sprays out on the sides. This is the one I usually use, and ladies and gentlemen, I still lose water with this one. All right, just because of the splash. But I don't lose that much water, but I do lose water. All right, you guys, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, please let me know in the comment section, and I will get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, and subscribe.